Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses Stevie! Big up yourself, Crosses.
When you just still tell me on any argument here and you get involved, it's all me a little know. And rest Emmy now. When you rest Emmy now, I can't bother. Hi Thailand. How are you? Thailand, tell the woman follow me alone here. Tell the woman follow me alone. Right now, I need some water. I can't bother for go back in the fridge in the water. Tell the woman love me alone here. I beg of you. Tell the woman love me alone. What is the question that you want to ask? And you're free to ask.
When I want my haters them see me and listen to me with my glasses and I'm so mad. Merdy, yo Emily, why you and my wife always a fight? Man, we just can't live good. Why all of my family live good with them one another, man? We can't bother with the family content, son. What?
Oh,
Yeah.
no, I'm gonna tell you what I mean. I'm gonna tell you what she know. She always go like, can you want to do this?
No, talk as long as you're not disrespect her. You know how I feel about the disrespecting, but now I make sure you
So
disrespect you.
wait, but I understand. So AJ, your wife.
But no, Phoebe, I'm a wife.
That
Merdy.
seriously written.
Yeah, why not?
I'm
Listen, beauty is in the eye of the in all fairness, beauty is in
written.
the eye of the beholder. And everybody connection different. That's like people can't come on your live and them can't cuss you and them can't say, "Oh, you at me this." I'm behind closed door. You at me or whatever. You understand? But yeah, so Phoebe, I might look a wife and them thing there. I my little sister, my little sister slash niece. I have a niece, but we have a sister brother relationship. You understand? So that's the thing. I just want family peace and them something there. And that's what I said to you, so we can just all live together and got a beach and them something there.
All right, so right now we can't but she has said no right now. I'm me and the boy right now we can't she she have to go and them now pull up my love, them now worry with me. Me know the boy that put up war with me that me want. So me I war with him. I him a cause a problem.
What? Nah, Emily, this shit is just making you horny. That's why. That's why.
I him a problem. I him
Oh my gosh! What I need for beat you up on yourself.
alright, what you want to say? Me not pay none of them mind. I gotta deal with him. Him and my and me a focus on him. Me and him a go war all the time. And me no say me know what me know. You understand me? So me a war with him. Me not
So, I'm gonna ask you a question. More answer that serious question here, right? When you go war with Emmy, right? You look at your finger them and your cuticle them bust up and them something you want to put on your nice acrylic. You just vex up so you put on your makeup.
I guess it not bust up my love, I swear. A long time I never do this. And I just I never
My
bust
God.
any fight I never bust up.
But fight, war. If you go fight now, your cuticle them get bust up. How you gonna feel?
Bust up. Then same run up seeing the people step alive with big
I did
machine.
not see anything alive, just see that plain ear.
Alive chop me up.
Listen, saw them blind, heard them deaf.
Me black him so I can't see. So I know no more than I know say in common name. I'm a see on the mix up site say yes in common name. Put up. So when me I pull up time. No.
Oh my gosh, I can't stand you.
Bless toxic.
What is that?
I'm sure relationship toxic. I'm sure you and your wife relationship toxic.
Our relationship is toxic. Listen, listen. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, it's night, and it all comes down to this. And this is not going to cause a problem. Because one thing with me and Phoebe, at night time, if I will cuss and tear off one another and all day at night time, when not go to bed vex, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna sit around table and talk to one another like decent people. So that a dad, murder, it's
Now, find you, man.
Remember some where Emily hold me and beat me to it, no, cause me can't take a lick and a similar call on me and you.
Then I'm not about stream around.
Yeah, eat sweet thing.
Yeah, man, eat our shirts.
Mighty God, where the trolls them there? Cause you always have a bag of trolls.
Clothes and they're on the set.
Yo, you see, she had to dead ass look for that shit real quick.
Take him down. One must take him down.
Alright, take me down, since people.
No, I'm not take it down. Emily gal, she fly. I go sister talk to me.
Sugarfoot is mad nice. I love
The boy
Sugarfoot.
cut me up in the corner.
And he was tearing out a portion of your vagina. Boy.
You see, oh yeah, go on, mom. Let's.
Yes.
Let's try.
See, you were my wife. It said Cleopatra said, "No girl can lick me. I'm making you a dot." Missed that. Missed that before my cause problem.
Due to
I'm
all,
not
my not telling a lie. I'm a football time get cut.
true.
You know
That's
what?
all I need to stop them. Something like honestly, Emily, the question is funny. To be honest with you, Emily. The cussing funny, like when it, like especially like if you like it's honestly it's a beautiful thing to know that you can click your live and cuss somebody, you know, like sometimes it's entertaining, but like when it's journeyed to like the everybody out the door and the fights and them at a party, like that stuff, that shit is old and played out. Like we're fucking mad old.
I'm not war with the girls. I'm gonna deal with I'm gonna deal with Emmy.
Yeah, I mean that's that. Man,
Yeah,
listen, my business I'm not getting involved in.
That's the problem. So I go show the girls them some million blood clap Bronx princess.
Listen, when you talk about them some of the Emily, I cannot stop you from talking. But you know, say me and you are friend, me and a friend, so me not go join in the conversation. I don't want you to feel disrespected. Like me, I ignore you, I ignore you, but I just have nothing to say.
Oh, that's I'm not saying nobody to get involved. Cause nobody could get involved in my arguments.
Yeah, as long as you know good as a good as.
And I'm family can't get involved. Anybody me sit open their mouth in my argument, me I pull up no blood clot, me I pull up them yard. And them know this. Them know this anytime then my block it, them know if I still time my blood clot something. Them can't come in at me and in argument, no time. And the big put and you see that allow that. Allow it alone.
Nah, I just want everybody to get
I'ma
along.
leave it. I swear to God, I'ma leave it. But
Listen, you know, regardless, and either way it go, me mind my own business. But it's just a beautiful thing to see everybody getting, like, honestly, like even today, like Mystery Lady and Phoebe and all of them, they were on a live and they were like just joking on each other. It was just like all like silly, fun and good jokes. Like I'm not telling everybody to be friends, you feel me? But fucking like that shit was cool. Like fucking like.
No, it's not cool. It's not cool. It's not cool to me. Because when people don't provoke you and people don't trouble you, you must not sit down and provoke people. Don't provoke people and then at the end of the day, I don't want to cry peace. That don't make no sense. Like when situation don't concern, no leave it alone. That mean no, when me young, my granny always tell me to stay and blind here and there.
That's what me do.
Who's gifted child?
That's my bestie. She lives here too.
The child. Wacky. Gifted child. What's the problem?
It's like a cause the problem.
Listen. Them just need for us. Right now, as my seminar focus on the girls them.
Listen, honestly, me just watching live them for laughing because like me know you one away. I mean know everyone away like me know some of the other parties one away. You feel me? And it's like when we have vibe and we're sitting and talking, them something is a different vibe. So it's like when the live them are going, that's it. They're not even here nor they're very entertaining. They're very entertaining, but they're neither here nor there for me. Like even today, somebody I think it was Surgery Angel. She was on the live and she was like, me and Emily have no. What did she say? She said me and Emily don't have anything, and like we're not friends either. But like she's a very nice girl, and I'm just like yeah, like 'cause, like I know like everybody seems
All right,
to
with
on live.
surgery, no, I'm gonna tell her with surgery.
No, me don't want to get into
No,
that. Me don't want to come.
no,
But we just said
no,
like
it
what
not,
she said was
no,
true.
I
Like me know
no,
you're
but
from Jada.
it not cause no problem. No. Me and her are mad cool. We didn't have anything. Yeah, my friend had something, so she just decided to talk to me. I had to talk to her, but we don't have any beef. Like we literally see each other every night, so we don't have a problem. The only person and me have a problem is suck with Ali. That real man will par with her. She just ups like she always wants to be in batty arguments. Just to me and people that argue, oh you gotta go up on live. Ali, you know nothing about me, and Ali, I'm telling you this. Whenever I see you, I'ma slap the shit out of you.
Oh
Can
my
you talk?
gosh.
No, she talks too much. Like, girl, I feel like real woman. I feel like real woman overall should stay out of gays arguments because you're not gonna hear some me I want gay. Cause most of the gays them want war them I got talk back.
Yeah.
So you as a straight person, I got feel shame. But see, you dip on the side of your class. Like, Ali, you need to get a hold of yourself. You're doing too much now. Like, girls, sit the fuck down.
But
Nobody.
she was just like you're a cool person and stuff, and then like when she was saying that, like it just like brought me back to like you know the round table talks that, like me, you and Jada be having, like we just be chilling, like listening to music, dancing, vibing. I'm just like, and that's the Emily that I know, like you know what I'm saying to you. So I put this like live shit aside, like
Surgery, yeah, right, you know. Surgery cool. Yeah, surgery cool. Hello, shall we kill?
Okay, I really am truly a fuck when people are fighting and people decide to them no one got a party them and them something. What like when we drive 2 hours come down for party, we don't feel weird because like you know you drive from so far, you expect for a certain face, a certain vibe in the party, and then people that they can this one and this one and fight and all of these foolishness, and then yeah, everybody just even chill out and vibe. Okay, when everybody did that party, them Emily, the party is extra nice.
Surgery Angela, we came. That's Avenue. But you're cool, you're a good guy. I got one thing. I got well, push up to motivate me.
Yeah, she seemed like she was
Good thing.
sincere when she was talking. I can hear that in her voice. Like she seemed like she was sincere.
But you know, one look who I got on with share my friend right now. Just decides to say that you're fair and that, but my good like we see each other every time.
It is what it is. You feel me? If my face looks so nice without the filter, let me try the filter. Hold on there. Can't you say? Hold on there. It's a load. It come on yet?
Come on.
Oh my look. My look the insane.
You look cool.
Look better than most. Yeah, that's the crazy thing. Like that person is show me that they're right. Like fucking like even you, Emily. Like all of you guys are mad cool. Like get you guys one away to yourselves. Like you guys are mad fucking cool. Like you guys are such dope individuals, and like it's like the cussing and them stuff online. It kind of make them look belligerent when they not do it. But like get for knowing about itself. Like you guys are such intelligent people. Like Emily. Like we sit on our all any conversation. You understand? Like we're literally a vibe when we're together. Fucking and that like number one.
Listen to me. It's all the time videos to me around passing me. So when I try to send me a troublemaker, me always be the one for trouble her.
Yo, me and Jada love when you're there party and you take out your phone and you start screaming and you start twirling and you scream murder.
Me, he never ball out in one party and say nothing about you. I say, the people them start make them way. And I think some me, I stop go to dance them.
No, but
You know, but
those you see, Emily, those are the little things that I look forward to. Like, you get what I'm saying to you? Like, those are the things that like makes the vibe of the dance like mad nice. Like when everybody like Ali the one said the fear antics, you the one said do your antics, Pebbles in the corner the fear antics. Like those are the things that makes the dance nice. You feel me? When everybody fights and then people decide not for God dance, and then them some of them now go on and just the dead music I play, like the dance is boring.
thank you.
And those things are needed in the dance. But yeah. But I'm happy that you calmed down though. Obviously you calmed down. You just vibe and chill out.
Yeah, me not follow them in the comment section, my love. I've been telling from day one, seminar look, me put them aside. I wait them that you're not on there, but you need to let everything. Oh my God, I don't want to talk about it, please.
Yeah, go to weekend. You know, go to again.
My birthday is weekend. I'm
Wait.
going on the yacht.
Yeah,
Me go up on the private jet.
your yacht.
Yeah, me go up on the private jet too.
I hear you, girl. Live your life.
Me and all my girls there.
I'm about
Go
to
up on
jump
private jet.
down to the view, so I'm about to smoke, and you know we can't smoke on live.
You can't smoke.
You
Me
can?
not take that. Right now,
Yeah.
when I got work today.
I got work later on, unfortunately.
You got work later on. Hey, boy. Murder Emily, who is that handsome young man? His name is Whitney. You like him?
That's exactly what he is, a handsome young man.
Yes, as in she want to be in something with yeah.
I'm screaming. We are going to just humbly disregard that.
Yeah. Happy big girl. Grande.
Emily,
Right now.
really? Really, Emily? With on live with all your friends? Behave yourself. Behave yourself, please. I beg you. Humbly and respectfully.
Why? I can't bother. I say yeah, big and comfortable, big and nice.
Oh my gosh. This girl is crazy.